guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this Princess Jasmine inspired look from the movie Aladdin, which the new live action is coming out at the end of this week, so that's why I did it and I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer just to prime the eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with the Riviera palette by ABH, and I'm going to set my concealer with the color Sails. And I'm going to take a smaller brush into the crease with the color Palm just to make a little cut crease. It doesn't have to be super neat, and then we're just going to wing it out at the end. So now I'm just taking a little blending brush just to blend that crease out. Now I'm going back in with the Nars concealer just to cut the crease. The Dewy Set spray and the color Inheritance just into the crease, and then I took Seychelles onto the actual lid. Following that, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to put that on top of the gold. Now we're drying it out. Now I'm going in with the Loreal Infallible Gel Liner. I did my wing off the camera because it just takes too long. So now I'm going in with the Duo Glue in black. And there I am. I used some Ardell 252s. Now I'm going in with the Born This Way foundation and the Smashbox Primerizer. Now I'm taking my Nars concealer under my eyes. I'm setting that concealer with some Huda Beauty powder. And now I'm dusting it all over the face. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. Kind of using it as a contour as well because I was feeling a little bit lazy today and I had somewhere to be. Gonna dust that under the chin, under the cheekbones, and on the forehead. And now I'm just taking some of that dark brown color right back under my eyes. I'm setting my face with some Dewy Set just because I was feeling a little bit dry. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows off camera using ABH Dip Brow in the color Jet. If you guys want a brow video, comment down below. And for my lips, I'm going in with the ABH Liquid Lip. I don't actually remember what shade this is, but I'll have it listed down below. I'm going to blend that out with my finger. And now I'm going to set this all using the Dewy Set once again. If anybody was curious, I'm super dry. And I forgot to pop in some mascara on my under eyes. So we're just going to do that real quick. On to the hair for the Jasmine look, guys. It's a little bit messy. So I'm just going to part it down the middle. And then I'm just going to make a little part going around the crown of my head. I'm going to tie it back with a elastic. I just bought a little blue ribbon from the dollar store, and we're going to wrap that around the head just to shape it and get the size, and then we're going to bobby pin it down once we cut it. So now I'm going to take my bangs and I'm going to kind of just pin them onto the little ribbon. It doesn't need to be perfect, guys. I just kind of did this for fun. We're going to do that to the opposite side as well. Now I'm letting the elastic go, and I'm going to just comb my hair and get it all even and smoothed out. And I'm going to take the rest of the hair, bring it up over the excess ribbon, and we're going to tie it. After tying it, I do tease it out a little bit and just pull at it because Jasmine's ponytail looks very loose. So now I'm just taking clear elastics, and I leave about 2 inches, and I elastic, and I did about 3 of them. Let me zoom out so you guys could see that. And now I'm just going to pull at them just to make them bigger. I don't know why my mouth is open. We're just going to straighten it out. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching.